Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about ARP different network. Okay, ARP different networks. Now we are going to discuss about ARP. So first of all, before the class we are discuss about ARP same network, right? So at the time we will quickly go through on it. Okay, fine. Just it's connecting with the switch. After that it will connecting with 1.1 and 1.2, right? So if you want to ping 1.3 means the ARP request it will go on it and then broadcast, then finally we'll find the 1.3 and after that the finally the 1.3 sending the ARP reply on it and then save the ARP ID. The ARP ID means it means the MAC ID. It's mean MAC ID means it's MAC ID saved on it 1.2 and then after that the 1.2 1.3 also have the 1.2 MAC address also of that. So if it is change 1.3 to 1.2, 1.2 change means if it is GARP, grep will happen. GARP, grep will happen that. Okay, fine. So now we are going to discuss about the different network ARP. So what is the exact meaning we are going to discuss about this class. Okay, fine. So the different network means it will connecting with the router, right? So it's connecting with the router. The router have two switches. The router have two switches. The two switches have different networks. It's 1.2, it's 1.3 PC, and the default gateway is 1.1. You know that already. The default gateway, what is the purpose of default gateway, and what is the use of the default gateway, and what is the purpose of basic route. So basic route means it will connecting with the different network right now. So that's the reason behind it's one network is connecting with one side, another network connecting with another side right now. So 2.2 is there and then 2.3 is connecting to this interface. So now you want to previous class we are discuss about these part only. Previous class we are discuss about this part only and we will discuss about clearly right now here. So now we are moved to change the different network. What is the different network? What is the ARP will come on it? Okay, fine. First of all, the ping request sending to him very first. Ping request sending to means it will broadcast right now here. So at the time the 1.3 if want to 1.3 want to reach 2.2 means what will happen. 2.2 means it will overview what is the exact packet going on. It will going to broadcast at the time. It will going to the broadcast at the time. It will going to the broadcast at the time. The ARP request, you know, the ARP request having the 1.2 1.3 IP address also. So if it is not mine means it will drop the packet and after that it will going to the destination of default gateway. So default gateway have to open the ARP table. The ARP table is also have the or also have not 1.1. It's not, it's that packet is not 1.1 but it's routable. The router is no, it's routable for me. So that's the reason behind it will routing the table one interface to another interface. After that it will initiating the frame rewriting option. So frame rewrite option is the writing on there. It's change the source MAC and destination MAC. Source MAC and destination MAC. So after that it will sending the request and will getting the reply from him and then getting to reply. So finally 1.3 have 1.1 MAC address. Sorry, 1.3 have 1.1 MAC address. The router have 1.3 and then 2.2's MAC address. 2.2 have 1.2.1's MAC address. Right now here we are going to discuss about deeply on it. Okay, fine. So I will take the snap out here. Okay. Okay. So first we will clearly explain. First of all, 1.2. This person wanted to reach which one means 2.3. So how will the packet go? First it will split upon two parts. Before the router, and after the router it will part the two parts. So first of all, the packet is sending to him. First of all, the payload is random data right here. So the payload is random data RD. The payload is random data, and then the protocol is ICMP right now here. You know that, right? ICMP. And then the source IP is 1.2, right? Okay. Source IP is 1.2 and destination is, what is it? Destination is 2.3, right? So the destination is 2.3. And then the source MAC, you know that the source MAC IP is 222. So the packet is sending to him. So know that what is the exact MAC address of it, and what is the destination MAC address? It's not know right now here. So after that, the very first packet, you don't know what is the exact 2.3 MAC address means. What we are going to do that it will initiate the ARP request. So first of all, the sender IP is 1.2 and the sender MAC is 222, and then the target IP is 2.3. Target MAC is not no, so right now here 000. Okay, so the source MAC is 222 and then the destination MAC address is FFF. So what is the mean of FFF? You know the right. It is a network address broadcast address class. We don't know what is the exact meaning of the broadcast address means. Go and watch the video and come here means it will clearly know that what is the broadcast address. Broadcast address means nothing but it will, this packet is open with all interfaces because it's a broadcast packet. So that's the reason behind every interfaces have to open the packet. So this packet is going on it, this packet is going on it at the time. This way the packet is the ARP request, its packet is ARP request is going on it. I'll change the color on black, so blue. So 1.4 is also getting the ARP, and then 1.3 also getting the ARP request at the time. The ARP, the destination MAC addresses, the target IP is 2.3 right now here. So 2.3 right now here. After that it will drop the packet. After that it will drop the packet. Here also same story. 2.3 is a target IP. So that's the reason behind 1.3 also drop the packet on it. Okay, drop the packet. And then after that the ARP request sending to him because it's a default gateway right now here. So that's the reason behind the 1.2 sending to gateway here. The gateway is also open. The gateway is also open the packet, the broadcast packet. It will open the packet means it is 2.3. So right now here it is 2.3, but router is not drop the packet because it's a broadcast packet means. So what is the reason behind it is a broadcast packet means router will know it's not for me but it's routed for me. That's the reason behind the packet is reach for me. So the packet is replying to him, the packet is replying to him, the 1.1 is replying to him. So this is our packet, so that's the reason behind the 1.1 replying to him. So sender ARP sender reply means sender reply, the sender IP is 1.1, sender MAC address is, what is it? I don't know exactly. So sender MAC address is 111. It's a MAC address, right? So it's a 111. Oh, sorry. Okay. Sender MAC address is 111. And then the target IP is 1.2. So it's a destination packet, right? 1.2. And then after that, target IP. And then the target MAC address is, what is it? 222. So this is a broadcast packet. You know that already previous class. You know that what is it is a broadcast packet. So it is a unicast packet. The source MAC is 111 and destination pack is 222. So the packet is sending to him. That's it. After that, it will paste the destination MAC address of what? I'll erase that. the destination MAC address of what? The destination MAC address of 111. It's here it is. The destination MAC address is 111. So the packet, this ping packet, sending to him now. Sending to him now. So this packet is sending to him now. After that, the router is routing the packet this interface to this interface, and then the router is also doing like this is not for me, this is routed for me. So because the router is having this interface right now here, I'll change the color, clearly explain. So router having this interface right now here, this interface. After that, if it is 1.1.2, this is a destination MAC address, so the packet is sending to him directly. After that, the routers know it is not for me but is router for me, so that's the reason behind it will take the this interface to this interface. After that, you don't know what is the exact destination, but because the router is not knowing the MAC address of 2.3, not knowing the MAC address of 2.3 exactly here, so that's the reason behind. After that, it will taking up here first. After that, I'll clearly explain what is it. So after that, I copying this and then paste here. So right now we are going to discuss about this thing. So now the packet is here. Now the packet is here. At the time, the payload is random data. Payload is random data. Protocol is ICMP. ICMP. Source IP, destination IP is not changeable right now here. The source IP is 2.1.2. The destination IP is 2.3. It's not changeable. The MAC address is changeable. The source MAC is now changed is 555. Here it is 555, right? So here 555. That's the reason behind the source MAC address is 555. The destination MAC address is not knowing that because of the route is not have any ARP entry here, so it's a very first time. That's the reason behind here it is not ARP request, not a ARP table. ARP table is empty. That's the reason behind the destination MAC address is empty. So after that, the ARP request is initiated by ARP request initiated by 2.1, initiated by 2.1. ARP request initiated by 2.1. Center MAC is 555. Target MAC is target IP is 2.2, 2.3, sorry, target IP is 2.3, and then the target MAC is 000. You don't know what is the exact MAC address is here. So what is the source MAC is 555. What is the destination MAC address? Destination MAC address is broadcast, so F. So here it is F. So that's the reason behind this packet sending to ARP to interface all interfaces, sending the ARP request, to all interfaces. After that, it will all PCs are open the packet because the destination MAC address is broadcast IP, so that's the reason behind all packets are open. So all PCs are open and read the packet. So which is 1.3, which is 2.3 means which one, that one will replay. So none of this, it will drop the packet. It is none of this, right? It is 2.4 and here it is 2.2 right now here. So these two PCs are drop the packet here. So 2.3 only it will replaying on it. 2.3 only replay, sending the replay to him. Replay to him what? It is a router interface. So the center IP is now 2.3. The center MAC is 777. The target IP is 2.1. The target MAC is 555. Source MAC 777. Destination MAC 555. So it's a unicast packet. It's a unicast. It's a broadcast. So after that, it will reach the destination of to him. So finally, the destination of MAC addresses know that know the router. It's a 777 right now here. It will change 777. After that, the packet is sending to him and sending the reply to him. So one ping request sending to the different network means so many happen is behind on it. So here it is clearly, now it is clearly explained on it. So we will clearly go through. One second please. So after that we will practically what we are doing right now here. So first of all, first of all 1.2 initiate the ping request. The ping request sending to the router packet. The router is not knowing means the router is sending him to reply on it. Here it is my MAC address, so please fill and send me. So that's the reason behind the destination MAC address of here. It's 1.1's MAC address. After that, the 1.1 MAC address sending to him, the packet is sending to him, the routable to him to another interface. After that, they initiate the router sending to him to 1.3, sending to him 2.3. The router is initiate the ARP request and sending the reply to him. So here it is 2.3 MAC address also here, 1.1 MAC address also here. So after that we will ping 1.1 means it already have the data. So that's the reason we again don't want to initiate again and again the ARP request. So that's the reason again initially the ARP request is happen. After that it ARP request is not happen here. So ARP request means it having the ARP request table. So this table is clear fire. It's 5 minutes. It's 300 seconds exactly. It's 300 seconds means the packet, the ARP table is empty. So the 300 seconds before that sending the random packet to him means that's reallocate to 300 right now here. So I'll clearly explain what is the 300 seconds. Now it's ARP request is sending here. So now the 2.1.1's MAC address is here. So after that you don't know it you will don't do any operation, any pinging request, any reaching the network, and then the any do anything. Don't do anything right now here at the time. That's the time means it's a 300 seconds. 300 seconds exactly 5 minutes. The ARP table it's empty right now here. So because of what it will only 5 minutes is valid. So before that the 3 seconds now it's coming up the 2 seconds now, 2 seconds now here. So before 2 seconds now I initiate some random packet to him. After that the initiating to him, that's the reason behind it will become the 300 right now here. So what is the exact meaning here? You not initiate any packet means it will go up. It will the ARP table is going up empty. You will randomly initiate some packet means it will not going up. Okay, so we will go to practically what we are doing right now here. So I'll go to the CPT lab, static routing. Okay, so what we are doing. So now we want to discuss about these things right now. Previous class we will discuss about this part only. So now we are going to discuss about different network ARP requests right now here. So here it is here it is the desktop IP config. Sorry, ipconfig here is 2.2, and then the ARP-A. Its ARP request is not. Its ARP request is empty right now here. So here I go. It's a 1.1 right now here. It's a 1.1 also 1.2. So ipconfig. Here it is. It's a 1.1 gateway. 1.7 is a IP address here. So here it is 1.7. So now we want to ping this person. So I'll explain what we are doing right now here. I'll explain what we are doing right now here. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about this thing. So now we want to do this interface to sending the ARP request, and then the broadcast, the broadcast packet is sending to him. After that, the 1.1 interface sending him, hey, it's my MAC address, please save that. So this packet is unicast, so it packet is sending to him, so it will save the 1.1's MAC address right now here. So after that, it will initiate the packet is green color. So initiate the packet is green color, it will going to him, only with person is the destination packet. And then after that, the router reading the packet and then routing the packet this interface to this interface. After that, again it will send the broadcast, again it will green, again it will send the broadcast packet and then changing the source MAC and destination MAC address right now here. So again sending the broadcast packet here, this interface also, this interface also. After that, this person is sending the reply, hey, sending my MAC address, it's for me, it's for me. So that's the reason behind it will sending the MAC address to him. After that, the router save the MAC address, then finally it will go the going the blue color packet, it will go the directly going to this one and reaching the reply to him. So we know that right here. So here it is green color also, it's a broadcast packet. Green color is broadcast packet, red color is replaying packet, and blue color is coming to reaching the destination on it. It will clearly happen. So now we are going to discuss about the practically know that. Okay, fine. So now here it is not having any ARP address here. So ARP space hyphen A. It's no ARP found. So and also the routers also don't have the ARP table or ARP address here. So here it's invalid. Enable ARP hyphen A. So enable conf t. Okay. So here it is invalid packet right now here. So one sec please, I will check that. So here it is do show ARP. So the ARP have only for the ARP do show ARP means the ARP have only 1.1 1.2 interface only right now here. So after that we will go and check that. We will ping, after that we will go and check that. Okay, fine. We will go the topic right now here. So now we wanted to go and then command prompt ping if now right now here 1.7. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about this thing. Fine. So sorry for the interruption. Okay, fine. 192.168.2.2, it's here it is 2.2 here. I don't know what is exactly we are going right now configure. So we will check what is the exact IP address here. Here it is 2.2 right now. So I want to ping 2.2. Yeah, I getting a reply from him. So how will possible to do that? Because first of all, here it is the time request. After that I get the reply. Why it's slow means here the very first ping request sending to him. That's the reason behind it will sending the ARP request and then the sending the replay and will getting the save, and then we will do the we will do almost thing right now here. So that's the reason behind. So I'll check now the ARP address here. Here 1.1 ARP is saved right now here. We will go check ARP-E. Here it is 1.1 ARP address here. So it's magically happen. It will sending the 1.1 MAC address here. So we will go right now here. Here it is 2.2, right? So here it is 2.2. 2.2 have the 1.7 MAC address here. So we 1.7 MAC address or 2.1 MAC address. We will know that right now here. It's a 2.1 MAC address. So we will check. So ARP-A. Here it is 2.1 MAC address right now here. It's magically happen right now. So that's the reason why I'll check what is it. First of all, it will sending the interface. It's a red color interface. It's a red color interface sending the reply to him 1.1s. It will save finally the 1.1 and it will save finally the 2.1s. It will send the 2.1s, and after that the route having finally what MAC address here. It is finally the MAC address of 1.7 MAC address and then 2.2 MAC address. Finally, the routers also have 1.1 and 1.2 MAC address, 1.7 and 2.2 MAC address right over here. So we are going to check also. Check that's also no problem. We will check. I'll go to the router interface. So now, before that, 1.1, 2.1 interface right now here. After that, we will check. Right now, we will know the 1.1s, 1.7, 2.1 and then 2.2. So how will come? So here it is 1.7 means I'll send the ping request. That's the reason behind it. It will happen the 1.7 and then the 2.2 is sending the reply to him. So that's the reason behind it will 2.2. So now we are clearly understand what is the exact happening here. So the packet is sending to him and that's the reason behind the router is sending the ARP request to him. ARP request under ARP replay on it. ARP request on ARP play. So this diagram is clearly help to do that. We are clearly understanding what we are exactly doing before that. First of all, the green color is, I'll clearly explain. Green color is broadcast packet. Okay. Red color is replay packet. Blue color is exact packet. Exactly what we are exactly doing. So the 1.1 initiate the request at the time it will broadcast. So it will sending to him. So now the router is sending, hey, no problem, please send me, I send my MAC address. So that's the reason begin the ARP replay is happening here. So ARP replay sending to him, it's a broadcast. It's a unicast packet. It's a replay means it's a broadcast means it's a broadcast. It's a unicast packet. Replay is unicast. So unicast, and then after that the PC of 1.1 sending the exact packet here. So it will route one interface to another interface. After that you don't know what is the exact MAC address of 2.2. So that's the reason behind it will send the ARP request. Here it is green color. Here it is, we will change the source MAC and destination MAC. Okay, here it is change the source MAC and destination MAC changeable. So before that we will change, and then after that the red color it will sending the reply, hey, I am the 2.2 right now. So please save my MAC address. So after that, after save my MAC address, the exact packet is sending to him, the blue color. After that we will get the reply on it. So finally the 1.1 MAC address having 1.7, the 2.1 MAC address having saved by 2.2, and then the 2.2, the 1.7 MAC address saved by the router. Here it is happened. here it is happened, and this is 2.1 MAC address, and this is 1.1 MAC address right now here. So I plan to clearly explain on it. I'll definitely I clearly explain on it. You don't know, you don't know what is the exact topic, and then you missed means you watch the again and again watch this video. You clearly understand what is the exact exact core meaning of this, or different request, or in different networks. So we are going, before that we are going to discuss about these things only. After that, now we are going to discuss about these things, these all things. So now we are end the meeting here. Now I going to end the meeting here. So you don't know what is the exact meaning, exact topic, you miss the topic here means, again and again watch the video and then take the notes, and then watch again and again the video. So thanks a lot. Thanks and following me. Thanks and subscribe for me. Thanks for subscribe, and if you want to do share the video means your friends, please share the video also. Fine. Bye bye.